Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix AutoCAD not responding on powerful computers using the easy method. This is a great way to stop your drawing program from locking up on your setup session, so your machine uses its full strength perfectly every time. Step 1. Set the program to use your strongest screen card. The first step is to open your main computer settings and tell your system to run the drawing app using your main high-power graphics parts instead of the basic built-in screen chip. Click your Start menu button, type the word Graphics Settings into your search bar, open the Setup window, click the Browse button, find your drawing program app icon, and click Add. Click on the drawing program name inside your active list, press the Options button, change the dot marker to High Performance, and hit the Save button. Because powerful computers often have two separate screen parts inside them to save energy. You have to lock in this power setting so your machine doesn't accidentally run the heavy drawing software on the weak, energy-saving chip. Without this step, your strong computer will keep using the wrong internal pathway, causing the app to freeze up and give you an error message because it lacks enough visual power. Step 2. Change the high-power screen acceleration inside the app. Next, you need to open your drawing app's internal screen tuner and turn off the advanced visual extras that can confuse a fast computer system. Open your software, type the words Graphics Config into your bottom typing bar, hit the Enter key on your keyboard, and look at the settings box that pops open on your screen. Turn down the advanced effects sliders, uncheck the extra smooth line details, click the OK button at the bottom, and close the box. Because sometimes a very fast computer tries to process too many custom visual frames all at once, which actually overloads the drawing app's internal engine. By tuning down these extra display settings, you steady the communication between the software and your parts. It ensures the program can handle large blueprints comfortably without crashing under its own speed. Step 3. Clear out old temporary system files. Now you need to enter your computer's hidden junk storage folder and delete the old temporary files that are clogging up your system paths. Hold down the Windows key and press the letter R on your keyboard, type %temp into the small run box that appears, hit Enter, highlight every file inside that folder, and hit Delete. Skip any files that say they are currently open or in use by another app, and throw the rest directly into your recycling bin. Because every time your computer runs an update or loads a large file, it leaves behind thousands of little text scraps in this folder. By sweeping away this digital garbage, you clear out the background clutter that your drawing software has to sift through when it boots up. It is the key step to getting the right output because it keeps your computer's main memory path perfectly clean. And that's it. To fix AutoCAD not responding on powerful computers, you must first open your graphics settings and pick High Performance for the app. Then you use the Graphics Config command to turn down advanced effects inside the workspace. Next, you look inside your run box to clear out old temporary files from your system folders. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.